Right, we are doing a little video on the gear change module. Now this module is fitted to several of the cars. The Evoque has this, our L405 has this, so several cars have this. It's also used on the Jaguars a lot. Now, the normal rotary knob, so this, when you turn on the car, this sort of comes up, it goes, comes out of this, which is really cool, and then you select it, it defaults to park, and then you select neutral drive or sport mode at the end. Now the two modules look exactly the same. There's two types of modules and they seem to interchange them even between different years on the same car, which is really difficult because we sell an upgraded rotary knob. So this is the upgraded sort of, I'll pick this one. So this is the upgraded sort of knob we sell, and it comes with a little disc. You get a choice of two discs here. Like you can have like a turned one or a knurled one, and they've got a self-adhesive backing and they stick in. Now the trouble is we sell two types. So we sell this type, which is, it actually looks like a turtle if you get it right. It's got like a little head and four little legs coming out there. So we do like the turtle type, and then we do just the plain cross type, and you can see I've just got four little, like in a cross shape there. Now, a lot of people buy one and then go, oh no, it's the wrong one, it doesn't fit. So I wondered, to simplify this, could we design one shape that would locate onto both the turtle and the star shape? And we have managed it. So this looks like a star, but you'll notice that one of these pegs is different and this one is sloped a bit. And it's actually quite a special shape, and it makes it so you can fit it and locate it onto both of these. So I just wanted to show a quick video to show that. So on this one, you can fit it and you spin it and it will drop in. And there's a screw that goes down through there and that will locate quite well. This one's slightly trickier. You need to get the shorter pin and put it on the right hand side as you look at the module, and then that will fit there, and that will also screw down, and that gives you the key you need to change the gear. Okay, now the other cool thing about this new type of Selector, not only is it universal, will it fit both, we have got the insert that goes in the top to be screwing, which makes it a lot easier if you want to change it or swap it back. You haven't got to get, because these come with a tool, and when you've got the stuck-in type, you have to sort of get in there and lever it out, and you damage either the rim or the bit you're trying to take out. Whereas with this screw-in insert type, when you've put your screw in, you just spin that round. There we go, and you're done. So there we go. So that is our new universal rotary gear knob Selector module.